Hello everyone, here is the solution for chapter 4 exercise, that is exercise of diversity in living organism. The first question is match the pairs. The group A, the contains options like aquatic, living in muddy wetlands, amphibian and floating on the surface of water. And group B, the name of the animals are given. So the first one is aquatic. Aquatic habitat is of fish. Then living in muddy wetlands, it is wild buffalo. The frog is an amphibian animal. And the fourth one, floating on the surface of water, that is swan. Question number 2 is find the odd one out and give reason for the same. A. Cow, horse, goat and fish. So cow, horse and goat are terrestrial animals, while the fish is aquatic animal which lives in water. B. Mango, people, guava, coriander. So the answer is coriander because coriander is a small herb while others are large trees. C1. Kangaroo, cheetah, cockroach and deer. The odd one out is cockroach because cockroach is invertebrate animal, the animal with no backbone, while others are vertebrate animals. Also cockroach comes in the category of insect. D1. Moong, jawar, wheat and bajra. Here the moong is the odd one out because moong is dicotyledonous plant while others are monocots. Dicotyledonous plants means it can be divided into two parts, its seeds. Question number 3. Write true or false. First one, mehendi, henna is a type of shrub. It is true. Trees with taproots collapse easily in a light storm. It is false. Mango trees do not bear flowers. It is false. Mango trees has flowers. Then D1. Polar bears live in the desert. False. They live in polar region or cold region. Then next, some species of snakes are amphibians. It is true that some species can live on land as well as in water. Question number 4. Observe the relationship in the first pair and complete the second pair. A1. Living on branches of trees, its relation is with monkey. Then living underground animals are, for example, rat. B1. Living on dry lands, it is horse. Then living in caves, bats. Question number 5. Look at the following pictures carefully. What information do you understand about these plants? Note down all points in your notebook. Here is the picture. In picture we can see that the picture, one of the plant is like a tree and another is like a herb or a wheat plant, jawar plant. Here the tree has proper branches. The branches are absent in this herb. So these points we are going to note down, their roots, etc., and that we are going to note down. Answer. First picture. It is a tree. It has hard woody stem. It has branches. It has taproot system and reticulate venation in leaves. Second picture is of herb. It is a herb plant. It has soft, non-woody stem. It doesn't have branches like a tree. It has fibrous roots and it has parallel venation in leaves. Question number 6. What characteristics would we consider to determine if a holy basil plant is a tree, a shrub, or herb? Answer: a holy basil plant is a kind of herb. It has smooth, green, and flexible stem. It is medium in size. It can grow up to 1 to 1.5 meter in height. They give out branches near the ground, and its life cycle is about 1 to 2 years or few months. The characteristics we consider to determine a holy basil plant is a herb are type of stem, height of a plant, presence of branches, and life cycle. Question number 7. Explain the difference between monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous plants, that is between monocots and dicots. Here cotyledon means seed leaf. The seed which has one leaf, they are monocotyledonous. The seed which has two leaves, they are dicotyledonous. Monocots have fibrous roots. Dicots have tap roots. There is a parallel venation in the leaf of monocots, and there is reticulate venation in the leaf of dicots. Example of monocots are wheat, rice, jawar. An example of dicotyledonous are chickpeas, peas, mustard, groundnuts, etc. Question number 8. What is the habitat of duck and why? Ducks live in ponds, lakes, rivers, and coastal areas. Ducks have webbed feet which help them in swimming. They have waterproof feathers for staying dry. They eat seeds, grass, small fish, and bugs from the area nearby water or in water. They feel safe in water because of land animals or their predators. Question number 9. Observe any 5 animals in your surrounding and determine their habitat. Animals are cow, which lives in agricultural farms, cow sheds, rural homesteads, or also we can see the cows are there in public markets. Then next is goat, whose habitat is farms, rural homesteads, hillsides. Cat habitat, agricultural outbuildings, enclosed backyards, and as household pets. Dogs on urban and suburban streets, urban parks, and as a household pets. Fifth one, sparrow in nest, which nests are built near the houses. Fish in water like lakes, rivers, seas, and ocean. Here chapter 4 exercise completes. If you find the content useful, please subscribe the channel.